Good morning, everyone. It's me, it's the B.I.G. Big Wes Turner, and you are currently watching Wes's World, where today we have our guests, 3 members from the Conroe Tiger Band, the world-famous Conroe Tiger Band, the infamous Conroe Tiger Band, the legendary, stupendous, tremendous, immaculate Conroe Tiger Band. And later in the show, they will actually be teaching me how to march, and they're gonna try their hardest to teach me how to play the trumpet. So without further ado, live from the KTIG studios, live and in living color, welcome into Wes's World. We're going to kick off today's episode with our interview portion of our show. So first, could you just all explain who you are and what instrument you play?
I'm Brendan Warner, and I play the trumpet.
Hi, I'm Ramsey Guido. I play the trumpet.
Hi, I'm Diego Carmona. I play horn.
So why did you choose the trumpet and the horn? Because I know, do you get to choose in the first place, or do you kind of just get placed wherever they need you?
I'd say if you were early on, you got to pick what you wanted, but if you were join later, you'd probably be placed somewhere.
Back in 4th grade, they pulled up in my elementary school. Had us play on the instruments, and they put me on trumpet.
Back in 5th grade, you got to choose. I picked trumpet at first, and then later on down, around this year, I started playing horn.
So why did you make the switch from trumpet to horn?
So I could play my marching instrument.
So do you each have different instruments between the actual band and marching? Is there a difference between the two?
Some people would have a difference. I just use a cheaper one just in case it drops. It's not really worth anything. But some people play a percussion instrument compared to their double reeded woodwind instrument.
I use my trumpet for both marching band and our concert season. So I wing it.
So, talking about your concert season, when is that this year? What concerts do y'all have throughout the year?
We have concerts I think we have 3. We have a Christmas concert in December, and we have a pre-YL concert, I think, somewhere between March and April. And then we have our spring concert in May.
All right, and this is just out of my personal curiosity, but out of all of the songs and all of the shows that y'all do, which one's your personal favorite?
I would say last year with Never Enough. That song was really fun to play.
Same with Brandon. I really loved playing Never Enough last year.
Honestly, yeah, Never Enough was pretty good.
Okay, and this year, y'all are gonna have a new show, correct? For
Yes.
the halftime, which I'll do every year, which by the way, halftime, the show, the docu-series that's gonna be premiering on KTIG sometime later in the fall. We're gonna document more about them, you'll see more about that. But what is this year's theme?
It's a pretty Texas-based theme.
Yeah, Texas, Western.
Yeah, Texas Western Cowboys and stuff.
Cowboys, yeah. So it's gonna be a Texas-themed show.
Yeah.
And what was y'all's show last year again?
It was on the bright side, focused on bright colors and powerful songs.
So bright colors and powerful songs, that was on the bright side. So you're switching from the bright, the almost modern, to the Western, the old-timey, the Wild West.
Yeah.
So I do remember, I was talking to y'all earlier, all 3 of you are also in the leadership program in the band, correct?
Yep.
Could you just explain what that is and what each of you do in the leadership program?
I'm an equipment crew officer, and we help around the band, making sure all the equipment's good and going great.
I'm a uniform officer. So basically, we make sure uniforms are running good, they're clean, they come out good on game days, making sure they're all ordered and hanged up correctly when we come back from games and competitions.
I'm an equipment officer, and I make sure all our equipment is squared away before and after games.
Now, marching band, this has been a highly debated topic over the years. Should marching band or band in general be considered a sport?
I would say marching band should be. You got to put a lot of effort in after school.
Like Brandon said, marching band, you do put on a lot of effort after school. But in my opinion, it doesn't reach the requirements to be a sport, so it's like in the middle.
In my opinion, it should be considered a sport, but at the same time, it's also kind of considered a sport in the way like golf is.
Right. Well, after this quick commercial break, these two, Brendan and Ramsey, are gonna try their best to teach me, the one and only Big Wes Turner, how to march and how to try to play the trumpet.
Will you go to homecoming with me?
No. Speaking of, homecoming is on Friday, September 19th, so make sure you go. And remember, sick 'em, Tigers.
Okay, so right now we have Brendan and Ramsey, and they're gonna teach me not only how to march like they do in marching band, but they're gonna teach me how to play a trumpet. Yeah.
Set position involves getting our feet together, our ankles together, at a 45-degree angle.
I got a 45-degree angle.
Awesome. Then you're going to take your left hand, put your right hand on top of it, set it right here. This is standby. And this is standby, got it? So whenever I call you to standby, this is where you're going to go.
All right.
Now we're going to go to set. What you're going to do is you're going to take your left hand like this, right hand like this. It's called power triangle, got it? Say that.
Power triangle.
Power triangle. Good. Set. You were there already.
How was that?
Set. Gotta be faster.
Okay.
Gotta be focused.
I gotta be focused. Okay.
Stand by. Set. It's good. Okay.
All right.
We start with our first step. All right. We're gonna go to trail, which is here. Put your hands like this. This is trail. All right. Take one step forward, like this. Make sure your ankle is on the floor when you step. All right. And your toes go all the way up as far as you can. It's your first step. All right. So you take one step, then you're going to roll through it, and you're going to cross over and take your next step.
All right.
All right. And then you're going to keep doing that. 8. Call this 8 to 5. All right.
8 to 5.
It's 8 steps to the next yard line.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Point. So on the 8th step, you're going to point like this. And then you're going to come in and close like this, just like you were
Just like we
in
were
your
set.
trap. Yeah.
Okay.
So then we're going to take another one. You got to keep even size steps so you can make your yard line.
Okay.
So back up. Call this, check and adjust. Where you'll check where you're at, then I'll say adjust and you'll move back to your yard line. All right. So let's take another 8 steps. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Point. Close. All right.
All right. Is that basically it?
That's the simplest part of the march.
The simplest part. Okay.
Yeah.
We'll just stick with the simplest part.
All right.
All right, so now after that warm-up, that long warm-up, and Brendan teaching me how to march, we have Ramsey, and he's gonna teach me how to actually play the trumpet.
So we're gonna start off with buzzing. So I want you to like make your lips together and like don't puff up your cheeks or like make a kissing face. Like it's like the best way I could describe it. So try that out for a little bit. So you hold it down here at the base. 3 fingers, 2 on top, 1 on the bottom. Slightly put it on your lips. Don't force it on there. And then you just want to like push there and like try to buzz your lips a little bit. You push closer a little bit. So yeah, okay, that's pretty good. You're blowing away right now. You don't want to put you want to put it on the lips, not too hard, not too like far away. You want to. Do you do that?
Yeah.
Here, wipe it off.
So, not too hard, not too far away.
Try buzz your lips a little bit, like. Yeah, oh, there you go. You got it now.
There we go. I got it.
5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
All right.
That's really good. That's what we do for our warm-ups a lot when we're warming up.
All right.
And here, now we're gonna try with the instrument.
Okay.
So I'm gonna put it in. Here, let me show you how to hold it. So when you're holding your trumpet, you put your hands like that. And then you wanna make a C.
A C?
And then just rest it like that on the trumpet.
Okay, and then you rest it.
Yes.
So, these hands right here?
Your thumb goes right here.
The thumb goes here.
Yes, sir.
Pointer goes here?
Pointer goes up here. Ring goes here. Yes, like that. And then the C.
C.
You rest it like that. And then this goes in between the first and second up like that.
So
now you just want to do the same thing and then just buzz into it like we did with the mouthpiece.
Like that? Yeah.
Now you got that?
Okay. So then what are these for? Because you see them pressing them all the time. So what do they do?
So that's how we change our note and pitches, which is so we could get the different notes on the trumpet. So like on our show, we could play our correct notes by pressing down our valves. And that's how we switch notes. So what you could do right now is when you buzz it, try playing on again. Now put down the middle valve. So you see how it changes the note? So that's how we change notes, and the way we change our range, like how like high we sound, is through our lips.
It's through your lips?
Yes. So the way we do that is on the mouthpiece. You either, if you want a low note, you want to open up your lips a little bit. That's how I do it. Could be wrong, I'm not sure. But you want to open up, and then you want to also slow down your air or speed up your air on how high you're going. Okay. So you could get that note out correctly.
All right. Well, now that I vaguely know how to play the trumpet and how to march, let's see how hard it is to combine the both of them.
Okay. Gonna go standby. Now we're gonna go set. All right. Then this is how we're gonna hold the trumpet in set. You're gonna keep how you are, but
okay.
You just hold like that. So visualize how you think you would hold this.
Hold it like this.
And you're gonna press all the valves down. That's how we're gonna set for the trumpet.
All right.
Then we're gonna go dot. We're gonna bring it all the way up to our base. All right.
Okay.
Okay. And then we're gonna march. Let me just demonstrate how I want you to do it. Like this. Dot. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Dot, dot, dot. That's how we're gonna do that. Dot. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Point, close. Dot. Dot. Straight down into here.
Okay, straight down.
Yep.
Alright.
Try that again. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Point, close. Dot.
All right. Well, thank you for teaching me. This is way harder than it looks. If you want to see the actual people who are good at this doing this, you can come out to any of the football games and any of their concerts or any of their UIL competitions later in the year, and they will be way better than me at doing this. But anyways, thank you guys for teaching me, and we're gonna send you back to the studio. Welcome back into Wes World. We are now joined by the HOSA officers discussing the blood drive that they're hosting this Wednesday. So what's the process behind this event and just setting it up and everything that goes into it?
Yeah, okay, so basically we reach out to our partner at Gulf Coast Blood Center. We have a contact there who helps us set up a date. We have to pick a location here at Conroe High School to host the drive, and then we start advertising, picking a theme, and just getting people to donate.
Right, well, what's this year's theme for the blood drive?
This year's theme, since it's the month of September, we're doing childhood cancer awareness. So any blood donated during this event is donated to Texas Children's, which is donated to their cancer center.
So anybody that donates blood, that blood will go to the Texas Children's?
Yes.
So how does that help them? Like, do y'all know how it helps them? Is it just like have extra blood on hand for them, or?
Yes, it is extra blood for emergency procedures. Also, those who battle leukemia, they often need regular transfusions. We do have stories of recipients who have gotten the blood and it helped them a lot.
Okay, so if somebody is interested in joining HOSA or in doing this blood drive, what advice would you give them?
So for joining HOSA, we're part of the Academy HOSA, so it is a requirement to be part of the Academy to be an on HOSA. But in order to do the blood drive, if you want to join the blood drive, we obviously encourage everyone to come donate. Like, every pint that you donate of blood, you save 3 lives. So that's obviously something big that we want to have, especially for our pediatric patients. So just some advice would just be stay on the lookout for information. I know we're having our donor signups today during our lunches, today, Friday, and Tuesday during our lunches, so just be on the lookout for information.
All right, well, is there any requirements that you have to be like certain age or anything for the blood drive?
Yeah, of course. So everyone who's interested in donating that is under the age of 16 must have a signed parent consent form. And if you're above the age of 16, is it 16 or 17? I think it's 16. If you're above the age of 16, you should be good to go. Other than that, there are certain weight requirements. You have to be above 120 pounds in order to donate a pint of blood.
All right, well, thank you all for joining me here, and thank you all for sharing this information about the blood drive, and thank you for tuning into Wes's World. But it is that time of the show where I must bid you adieu, so goodbye, mwah, good night, bang. Bye, guys.